How to install an indoor door lock. Take out the front panel and open the accessory package. Take out the screw sleeve from the accessory package. Install it on the screw post of the front panel and tighten it. Then install the front panel and rear panel. Take out the square steel and cut it to a suitable length and install it. Take out the fixing screw of the rear panel and cut it to a suitable length according to the thickness of the door. Adjust the position of the front panel and rear panel to align them at this time. The indoor door lock is installed.